Hi guys, para sa mga nagtatanong kung paano mag-withdraw dito kay Chamet app. So yan, mag-withdraw tayo. So meron akong 10.93 cents na naipong beans. So yan, withdraw lang natin. Yung condition to withdraw niya is okay na, na-set up ko na siya. Kasi this is my second time na mag-payout dito kay Chamet app. So yan, click lang natin yung withdraw. And then yung ating MetWallet na email. And then kung magkano yung ating i-withdraw. And then click withdraw. And then, yung may nag-pop up na sa atin, ang notification na withdrawable, successful. So, click lang natin yun. And then, click yung email. And then, lagay lang natin yung email na ginamit natin dito kay Chamet. And then, next. And then, syempre, yung ating password. So, napakadali lang gawin to. So, yan, congrats, Arifay has been level up to MetWallet. So, I got it. So, yan, meron tayong $10. And then, syempre, dapat tama yung ating GCash number, yung amount, and then yung transaction fee, which is $0.60. And then, yung please enter yung ating password dito kay Chamet. So, huwag yung kakalimutan yung very importante yon. So, yan, completed estimated arrival time within 2 working days. So, yan, nag-zero na yung aking dito kay MetWallet. So, yan, balik tayo. Balik tayo dito kay Chamet. So yan, magiging 0.93 cents na lang yung aking kasi nga nilabas na natin yung $10. So yan, punta naman tayo ngayon sa ating GCash. Tingnan natin kung pumasok na siya. Wala pa yatang 5 minutes, pumasok na. So yan, meron ng laman. So tingnan natin yung transaction as of January 11, 2024, 12:03 PM. Pumasok na yung 514.34 cents dito sa ating GCash. Yun lang, napakadali lang mag-withdraw dito kay Chamet.